Hi guys, welcome to Food vs Sharma with me Suman. Today I'll be sharing with you the recipe of smoky white chicken curry. It is super easy and guess who doesn't like the smoky flavor in the chicken? Yes, we all love it. So let's get started. Firstly, we will marinate our chicken. For that, I have taken around 750 grams of chicken, 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and chili paste, salt around 1 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 cup of curd, Now mix everything well and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, our chicken is marinating. We will prepare our spice mixture. Around 2 cups of water, half teaspoon of salt, 2 medium-sized onions, half cup of cashew. We'll bring this to boil. Now we will transfer everything to a mixture grinder. 1 tablespoon of poppy peas. Grind it to a fine paste. Gas on. 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee, 2 bay leaf, around 5 cardamom and 5 cloves each. Cinnamon stick around 1 inch, 1 mace petal, half teaspoon of methi leaf. Now we'll drop in the marinated chicken. We'll give this a stir and we'll cook it for 5 to 7 minutes, which will allow the chicken to cook in its own juice. Here we will add our prepared paste. Once we have poured in the masala, we will give it a stir and then we'll cook it for 10 minutes. Here we have added water as per gravy. So if you require more of the gravy, add water accordingly. Once the gravy thickens, we will add salt as per taste. Around half teaspoon of red chili powder. Post 7 to 8 minutes, you will see the oil has been separated. For creaminess in the chicken, we will add 2 tablespoons of milk powder. Now we will cook for another 2 minutes. Left with adding the smokiness in our chicken curry. Take a small piece of burning coal, place it in a bowl and then finally place this bowl into the chicken curry. Once the bowl stands still, we will pour 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once the smoke comes out, immediately cover it with a lid. This process will invoke the smoke in our chicken curry. Now we'll keep it aside for 2 minutes. And there you go. The super delicious white chicken curry is all ready now. The gravy is thick and tempting and the chicken is perfectly cooked. Now this is called a perfect chicken recipe. Garnish it with ginger and green chili. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cool recipes. We'll meet again in the next video. Until then, goodbye.